So continuing with the lecture, I am just citing the difference between the spark ignition engine and the compression ignition engine. First of all, is that in spark ignition engine, generally spark plug is used, as you already know, and in the compression ignition engine, instead of spark plug, fuel injector is used. This is one of the difference. Second difference is in spark ignition engines, carburetor is used, and there is no use of carburetor in diesel engines. Third difference is that the charge that enters into the cylinder through the inlet valve is the mixture of air and fuel, while in the compression ignition engine only air is injected in the cylinder. So this is the third difference. Fourth difference is that the petrol engine generally occupies less space as compared to the diesel engine. It occupies much higher space. For next difference is that spark ignition engine is based on the constant volume cycle, that is known as Otto cycle, and diesel engines are based on the constant pressure cycles, that is known as a diesel cycle. And next difference is that the thermal efficiency achieved in the spark ignition engine is nearly about 25%, and in the thermal efficiency achieved in the diesel engines is 40%. Maintenance cost is generally less as compared to diesel engines. In petrol engine it is more in diesel engines. And compression ratio, that is R, is nearly 6 to 10 as compared in the petrol engines as compared to diesel engines. And in diesel engines the compression ratio is 14-20. Why? Because the high pressure and temperature is present when the fuel is sprinkled due for the generation of the power. Now coming to the difference between the 4-stroke engines and the 2-stroke engines. The 4-stroke engines, the first difference is that the complete cycle is completed in 4 strokes of piston, and in 2-stroke it is completed in 2-stroke, and there are 2 revolutions of crankshaft, and in 2-stroke there is 1 revolution of crankshaft. Generally valves are used in 4-stroke engines, and in 2-stroke engines ports are used. 4-stroke engines are heavy because rocker arm assembly is used, and a 2-stroke engine it is light weighted and economical. Heavy flywheel is required in 4-stroke engines, and light flywheel is required in 2-stroke engines. So this was the difference between 4-stroke engines and 2-stroke engines, and in the subsequent lecture we will be deriving the formula for thermal efficiency for your petrol engine, and after deriving the thermal efficiency you can easily derive the thermal efficiency for diesel engines. It is only there is a little bit expression that is added to it. So the expression for thermal efficiency for petrol engine is 1 minus 1 upon R to the power of gamma minus 1, where R is your compression ratio and gamma is Cp upon Cv, that is the ratio of the specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume. So if we talk about the relative merits of 2-stroke over the 4-stroke engines, so I will be covering in the next part.